More than ever, I am aware of the need to support and celebrate each other. I like to believe I am part of a global support group network of 3.4 billion. Imagine, if you can fall back on the 3.5 billion sisters, and the many good men who are with us. Women are leaders everywhere you look, from the CEO who runs a Fortune 500 company to the housewife who raises her children and heads her household. Our country was built by strong women, and we will continue to break down walls and defy stereotypes. A woman with a voice is, by definition, a strong woman. The thing women have yet to learn is nobody gives you power. You just take it. If you're someone people count on, particularly in difficult moments, that's a sign of a life lived honorably. Nothing liberates our greatness like the desire to help, the desire to serve. A feminist is anyone who recognizes the equality and full humanity of women and men. We need women at all levels, including the top, to change the dynamic, reshape the conversation, to make sure women's voices are heard and heeded, not overlooked and ignored. No woman should be told she can't make decisions about her own body. When women's rights are under attack, we fight back. We need to reshape our own perception of how we view ourselves. We have to step up as women and take the lead. The biggest barrier for women is the thought that they can't have it all. I attribute my success to this. I never gave or took any excuse. My coach said I run like a girl. And I said if he ran a little faster, he could too. A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong it is until it's in hot water. You can't be that kid standing at the top of the water slide, overthinking it. You have to go down the chute. The more I have spoken about feminism, the more I have realized that fighting for women's rights has too often become synonymous with man-hating. If there is one thing I know for certain, it is that this has to stop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down. See you in the next video.